Donna Stewart. I'm the County 4-H agent, and I am here today with some other 4-H people to share some great things about our salt marsh. We're surrounded by salt marsh, and we are currently located in one on our way to Jekyll off the causeway.
Hi everybody, I'm Corinne Zeely. I work for the Georgia 4-H Environmental Education Program on Jekyll at the Tidelands Nature Center. We love coming out here into the marsh and letting people get their hands in and their feet in and experience this marsh and all that it has to offer.
One of the creatures you will find many of in our salt marsh is the fiddler crab. This is a female crab because she only has 2 little claws. Now when you look out across this whole marsh, you know, one thing about the salt marsh is you've got to appreciate what it does to really understand it. It's easy to appreciate the Rocky Mountains. They're just gorgeous. A salt marsh has its own special beauty. It's kind of, if you were a fiddler crab, it's kind of like a giant restaurant where there's nothing but food. Well, you got to look down for the food. So if you look down, you'll see all these little teeny tiny balls of sand. And then there's some bigger ones too. Well, the big ones are where they've cleaned out their burrow, because little fiddler crabs have a burrow. And they do have their own burrow. They will share if they have to. So these big balls are where they've cleaned out their burrow and pushed the sand out. These little teeny tiny ones is actually, well, fiddler crab spit. So imagine you had a mouthful of M&Ms, delicious, except somebody also threw a bunch of marbles in there. So you would have to work all those M&Ms to eat them, and then you would spit out the marbles. So all these little speckles, and there are billions of it, is actually just fiddler crab spit, where they've been working on this, eating the stuff on the sand. They don't eat the sand. They eat the bacteria and the fungus and all this cool stuff that lives on the sand grains. So when you're out walking in the marsh, you are just walking through tons and tons of fiddler crab food.
One of the first things you notice about this fiddler crab is his one really large claw, and that's actually how you can tell that this is a male. If you're walking around in the marsh and you start to stand really still and look around for these fiddler crabs, sometimes you'll notice that these males just keep waving their claw around. That's how they try to find a mate. They're trying to attract a female, showing off how large their claw is. So this one might do pretty well. He's got a pretty large claw. One of the most significant pieces of our marsh is its mud. We call the marsh mud detritus. Now, detritus is super nutrient rich, and you can tell from how dark it gets. So this super nutrient rich mud is the basis of our food chain out here. If you like to eat crabs and shrimp, thank the detritus. And if you come out and join us, Jekyll 4-H, for one of our marsh trips, you'll get a real up close and personal experience with our marsh mud.
So every day in Glenn County you drive by the salt marsh, and most people never get the opportunity to come in and explore this amazing ecosystem. CoastFest is a celebration of our coast, and this is a vital part of that coast.
If you'd like to learn more about the coastal ecology and get into the marsh, come see us at the 4-H Tidelands Nature Center or join 4-H in Georgia. Thank you.
Bye.